Okay guys, welcome to this video. I'm very glad that you are joining me on this video guys. There have been a lot of new updates concerning this grass airdrop. Okay, so this grass airdrop is one of those airdrop that I don't joke with. When I say I don't joke with it, I seriously do not joke with grass airdrop. Now, why am I not joking with it? That is because I've seen it give people thousands of dollars. All right, so on this video guys, we are going to be discussing about the new development, which is basically the gem system, which has been introduced recently. All right, so currently we are on the Airport 12, and remember, if you are mining only using the website version, you are mining too slow. All right, so you need to get your hands on the grass app, because the grass app basically rewards you with a 3x. all right, so it multiplies your earning times 3. So if you're not mining with the grass application, go ahead right now, go to Play Store, it's right there, download it, start mining at 3 times speed. All right, so right now let's discuss about the new point campaign, which is of course the gems, which are any right here, gems or diamond. I don't know what it's really called, but I can easily call it gems, I'm not wrong. So basically right now on the Epoch 11, I was able to get up to 10.45 gems right here. I'm talking about these, and currently on this Epoch 12 I've got 1.8 gems, and the reason why you don't see it right here is because it is a new development on the grass airdrop project. Okay, so without wasting time guys, let's now talk about this in detail. Before we go ahead and do that guys, I want to say a very big congratulations to all of us right here at Crypto Mechanic, because we just hit 11,000 subscribers. Like, I'm literally the happiest man on earth right now. All right, so it's not an easy thing, and this won't be possible if not because of you watching me right now. My whole community is awesome and I love you guys. So right now guys, remember, I keep on giving back to the community. So if you want to be earning free tone coin just like every other person, if you are watching me from any part of the world, simply go ahead right now and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. After that guys, go ahead, click on the bell icon and select all, so that whenever I post new video, you'll be the first to know about it. Also, go ahead and quickly click on this like button to give this video a thumbs up. Then make sure you share the video to any part of anywhere you want, to your family and friends, anybody else. Then finally drop a very nice and interesting comment right there in the comment section, because from the comment section is where we pick our winners and of course announce them on Telegram. All right, so right now guys, let's dive deep into the new update on this grass airdrop. Like I told you guys earlier, I do not joke with this project. You see, grass airdrop and the social value airdrop, these two projects, I do not joke with it. Also, we have something like the likes of Unich, and we have grass and Arichain. These airdrops, I do not joke with it personally. So right now, let's go to the business of the day, which is basically the new development on the grass airdrop. I still needed to make this important announcement. If you are mining grass airdrop, or if you are farming it and you are probably seeing that your points are not adding up, then you need to wait, because we just had an announcement right here on the Discord that the service disruption is temporarily preventing point calculation. Updates to your grass point may be delayed by up to 24 to 48 hours. So I'm making this video on the 21st of October. So if your points are not adding up within this period, then basically you need to just be patient. It will be adding up in just a little short time. All right, so let's go into the main thing, which is the new update and what brought about the new update. So over here right on the Twitter account, you can see they made a post right here. Okay, so they made a post right here, and I think we need to go through it together. So this is the post which they made right here on the 9th of October. Let me open it up real quick. So over here they went ahead to say an update to the grass point model. Okay, so they went ahead to say that an update to the grass point model. They say that TLDR, they say grass point track users contribution to the grass network and are now divided into two types to represent those contributions. So this simply means that all your contributions are now divided into two, and this include the uptime point and the network point. So what is the uptime point and the network point? Basically, the uptime point is earned for keeping your device connected and help it to grow the grass network. So once your device is connected to the internet always, you are earning your uptime point. Now, what is the network point? The network points are earned when your bandwidth is actively used by the grass network. So this uptime point is what brought about the points which I showed you earlier. We are going to be talking about them right now. So over here, they went to say that network points, which is this one right there, network points will be distributed based on how much bandwidth from each user's connection is utilized, factoring in regional demand, connection stability, and prior network activity. You can now see both types of points in the updated reward dashboard. So right now, let me show you what they mean real quick. The uptime points are the gems which I told you guys about. Okay, bear with me. Okay, so this is your uptime points. You can see I haven't earned any. Okay, let me go to the reward tab. Let me show you something real quick. So scrolling down right here, you can see we have a lot of stuff right here, and you can see this one right here is your uptime point. And if you look over here also, you can see we have this one. This is sorry, uptime point. Okay, so we basically have now the uptime point and the network point. All right, so it started on the epoch 11. That is why you don't see it right here, like I already said. So right now, going back to the, let's finish it up together. So they said network point will be distributed. Okay, I've already read that. They went ahead to say that grass points are used to track users' contribution to the grass network for the purpose of calculating and distributing reward. Okay, so they said grass is introducing a more detailed breakdown of how grass points are calculated and earned based on the manner you contribute to the grass network. Grass points now break down into two types, which is the uptime point and the network point, which give a clearer picture of both the availability and usage of the bandwidth that you contribute. So basically, this is just to a kind of give a more clarification of how you have been participating, because a lot of people do get it confused based on how much their referral have brought to them, how much uptime their uptime have brought to them, and also maybe how much their network that have been used so far. With those points, you can now easily track your progress and judge it according to anyhow you want, but this is just to make it more clearer to everyone. Okay, so let's finish it up together. So they say the uptime points are earned based on the amount of time your device is connected to the grass network in a manner that makes your bandwidth available for use by the grass network. Uptime points are also rewarded when you refer new users to the grass network who then meets the requirement to be considered an active referral when you reach a certain milestone and are eligible for bonuses. So they gave more clarification, saying that not just the uptime points are not only gotten when you are connected to the internet, the uptime points are also gotten when you refer someone. And when you just refer someone, you don't get rewarded. Like personally, I have up to 362 referrals, but only 63 of them are active. So you can just imagine. Okay, so when you refer someone or when you are connected to the internet, you earn uptime points, but the network points are earned when your bandwidth is actively used by the grass network to power web data requests. So when we talk about bandwidth, there's nothing complicated about it. They are basically talking about internet, your internet connection. All right, so that's what they're talking. So they went ahead to say that how network points works. Each day, a fixed pool of 1 million network points is created and distributed across users based on how much of the internet bandwidth the grass network actually uses. So this is basically, every day 1 million network points are brought out, and this is going to be distributed based on how much your internet is used and stuff like that. So they say that users share depend on market force. They went ahead to say a lot of other things right here, and they give you reasons why they are doing it, and they went ahead to finally say that track your progress. The new reward dashboard bring everything together: uptime, referral, and network activity, so you can see your daily and long-term contribution to the network in one place. All right, so basically this is all you need to know right now concerning the grass network airdrop. And do not forget that the TGE, sorry, not the TGE, but the season 1 reward, season 2 reward distribution is already knocking on our door. So if you are not active yet, this is your best time to be active on this platform, so that you get to get the maximum reward from it. All right, so like we already know, remember, this is an airdrop that personally I do not joke about. So cumulative, if you check out my cumulative earning, you can see I've got about 3.23 million points. This is quite small, but on the other hand it is huge. But whatever you have right there, trust me, it's going to worth a lot in the future. All right, so right now guys, you can see we have the uptime points right here, and we also have the referral points right here. So basically this is all you need to know about this project. And I still need to remind you that if you haven't verified your email, and if you haven't verified your wallet and confirm your wallet in your email, then trust me, you are not going to be getting any airdrop. You are not even going to be eligible. So go ahead right now, verify your wallet, your email, and do the needful before time run out. And to be eligible for this airdrop, remember, you need to achieve a 100 hours uptime. So if you want to check your uptime, it is very simple. You can see my uptime currently is 7 days and 16 hours. If you check how many hours are in 7 days, you will get to find out that it is very easy for you to be eligible for this grass airdrop. All right, so if you're hearing about this for the first time, the referral link is going to be right there on the video description box. Go ahead, use it, join right now guys, and we are going to be seeing ourselves at the top. All right, so thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and once again, thank you so much for bringing this channel to 11,000 subscribers. I'll be talking to you guys on the next update dropping soon. Do have a lovely day.